Hello everyone! Good morning! I'm gonna share with you a simple breakfast. This egg in a hole recipe is easy to make. Just cut a 1.5 hole from the center of the bread. Lay in the pan under low heat. Crack the egg, then season with salt and pepper. Remember, cook in very low heat. After 2 minutes, flip the bread and wait until the other side gets mostly firm. And for my drink, I'm gonna have cucumber, apple, and carrot shake. Blending all this together. What do you prepare for breakfast? Let me know by writing a comment below. Hope everyone stays healthy. Good day! Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching!